Revolutionize your campaigns now. In today's competitive digital landscape, marketing professionals face constant challenges, inefficient tools, and generic messages that simply fail to captivate. Many are burdened by outdated systems that complicate every step, leaving little room for creativity and genuine connection. Imagine a world where every email sparkles with personality, every campaign resonates on a personal level, and every customer interaction transforms into a golden opportunity. Enter SendingBlue, a game-changing platform redefining digital marketing with advanced features crafted specifically for modern professionals. Imagine crafting personalized email campaigns that deeply resonate with each customer, all without writing a single line of code. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor makes designing visually stunning emails effortless, streamlining the creative process so you can focus on innovation. The power of automation is now at your fingertips. With SendingBlue, you can set up dynamic workflows that trigger timely communications based on real customer actions like signups or purchases. Every interaction becomes an opportunity. Every message reaches your audience at the perfect moment. This seamless blend of personalized email targeting and smart automation eliminates the guesswork and drives engagement like never before. Advanced segmentation propels your strategy further by letting you target audiences with surgical precision. Divide your customer base by demographics, behavior, or engagement history, and deliver hyper-personalized campaigns that truly speak to individual needs. Coupled with real-time analytics that offer clear, actionable insights tracking open rates, click-through rates, and overall performance, SendingBlue empowers you to adjust your strategy on the fly for maximum impact. Additionally, its built-in CRM consolidates contact management and interaction tracking into one user-friendly platform. Whether you're a small business eager to make a mark or a large enterprise refining complex campaigns, SendingBlue scales effortlessly with your evolving needs. Every innovation in SendingBlue is meticulously designed to eradicate common marketing frustrations and unlock the full potential of your customer communications. Feel the surge of confidence as automation and personalization converge, transforming everyday challenges into extraordinary opportunities. Success is forged by smart, innovative solutions that bring your vision to life. Ready to elevate your digital marketing campaigns? Explore SendingBlue's advanced features today and transform your customer engagement strategy.